Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today we are trying out the brand new YSL All Hours foundation. YSL sent me out a few of their shades and I'm just gonna hope and pray that it's going to match my tan that I will be having later on. I'm gonna be going out today to a 420 party. I'm doing a whole other get ready with me. So by the time that this video is up, that one will already be posted. So go watch the get ready with me. So we're going out to the club today and I thought that I've been wanting to do a review on YouTube for so long, and I'm very picky when it comes to foundations. You guys know this. You guys know I'm a ride or die for LA girl. Like, that is the best foundation, that along with the NARS. If you guys do want to get anything LA girl, because I definitely will be using probably the powder in this video, you guys can use my code Aidette10. I always use it. I pretty much do a full face of LA girl all the time, so you guys can use that if you want to. I honestly have not heard a single thing about these foundations, but I will be applying some fake tan after the fact, after we did our foundation. Reason being is because I'm on a brand new white chair. By the way guys, this chair is the comfiest thing I have ever felt, and I'm so glad that I spent like nearly $200 on it. I didn't want to stain it because I'm going to be using like a one-day tanner, so it's pretty much just like body makeup, and then I'm going to wash it off at the end of the night. I'm going to be using the darkest one that they sent me. Throughout the night, I'm going to show you guys little clips of me at the club, whatever, and then we're going to be seeing if it actually lasted throughout the night and if it looked good while I was taking pictures. So they sent me these two shades. They sent me MW7 and they sent me M97. These are the same shade. I'm really hoping that they're like kind of dark. This one is a warmer tone, this one is a neutral tone, and my tanner is definitely more of a warm tone because a lot of the time tanners are more golden and orangish. So we're gonna go with the warm one. Again, this is MW7 and I'm excited. The YSL All Hours foundation has sunscreen, broad spectrum, SPF 30, and it is a luminous matte foundation, and this lasts up to 24 hours. And it has a weightless feel, so let's put that to the test. Before we do this guys, I was tanning a little bit earlier and I feel very dry, so I'm going to be putting on this Pixi After Sun Aloe Vera Cucumber face mask. Ooh, moisturizing. I definitely need some moisture. I didn't want to put anything under. I'm not putting a base because I want this to be purely based off of the foundation. Not the cars in the back completely ruining this. Oh, this feels really good, guys. You guys can find these at Target, I'm pretty sure. It feels really good. They should have one that like goes all the way down to your neck. That would be nice. I'm gonna let this sink into my skin for a little bit and I'll be back. Guys, we're back. It is 3:31 in the morning and you guys can see I didn't get as many clips as I wanted to when I was at the club because I forgot. I literally only had one drink, so I don't know how I could have forgotten, but I guess I was just, ew, what is that? I think that has to be like taco sauce or something. Oh wait, no, just kidding, it's tahini from the drink. This is gonna be my final review. We have been wearing it for since 5 until 3, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, wait, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 10 hours. Obviously we weren't gonna wear it for 24 hours because just no. This is what it looks like at 10 hours, guys. I'm just gonna come up real close. It's looking like this. As you guys can see, I am getting just like a little bit shiny, like in these areas. Like it's mostly like right here, but this is very normal for me. Like in my T-zone when I wear foundation, I tend to get very like oily. Nothing crazy, but this is beautiful. Like you guys can't even like, this looks like I just put it on like not too long ago, you know? This is what it looks like from this side and then from the other side. It just looks really good. And I would tell you guys if I didn't like the foundation, because I'm a very picky foundation person. This is what it looks like on the eyes, because I know that it can kind of separate. But on the nose is where it's like very important, and like right here on the chin, right here. And keep in mind, I ate a freaking taco and like a chicken tender, Guys, it looks really freaking good. And I even applied highlight, and sometimes highlight can like worsen things and make it a lot more shiny, and just like it still looks really good. Like this looks very healthy. It doesn't look dry. It just looks glowy. The makeup looks like it's supposed to be sitting like this, you know. And I also put on like setting spray and everything, and I feel like setting spray doesn't make like the world of a difference, but it just kind of makes everything look like melted in and not as powdery. But this just looks beautiful. So honestly, YSL, you did your thing. The All Hours foundation is Aidette approved. I give this, guys, I can't even lie, I'm gonna give this like a 9 out of 10. I was gonna say a 10 out of 10, but it still doesn't beat my NARS foundation and my LA Girl foundation. It's up there with it, but those are my 10 out of 10s. This one is definitely a 9, and it's so good. So you guys did your thing. I love it. It like went through the club and everything, and it's just beautiful. So thank you guys so much for watching. I know I didn't get many videos in the club, but I feel like you guys get the gist. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. And let me know what products you guys want me to review next. Bye.